Welcome back to MaxsGarajMahal. Today we have got something that I've been thinking about for a while, and that's this Remoli Note 5, and it is a, well, let me just show you. It does, it lets you inspect your ears. It'll also let you connect this via your phone to your doctor, and then they can inspect your ears. If you can't get out, they can't come to you, you can do it right here. Pretty neat, huh? Alright, I'm going to show you what comes with it, and I've already opened it and played with it. Took me a little bit to figure out how to connect it, but I finally did. Comes with an instruction book, comes with the little tweezer slash pin dash light and camera, all right there in the very end of it. Pretty neat, huh? I don't know if it feels, there you go. And when it's all right there in the end, pretty stinking neat. Comes with 6 different ends that you can interchange, and it comes with 6 replacement, or looks like 6, maybe 7 replacement ends, and a charging cable. And let's see here. Let's see if I can get this thing working. And alright, there she blows right there. So I'm going to stand right here. I'm going to put this in my ear. It's going to be gross as it can be because I probably need to clean my ears. But we'll both know together here in just a moment. Now I sleep with cotton in my ears a lot, and I'm sure I don't get that all cleaned out as well as I could. But you can use this to look down in there. I got fairly, doctor said the other day when we checked my ears, that was pretty clean, looked pretty good in there. Alright, but you can see how that works. And you can see, now I got to do this backwards. I can reach down in there. Now you don't go in very deep with these things, but you can see that there was some earwax, and there's probably worse than it looks, or maybe not as bad, I don't know. But anyway, this thing works great. If you don't have one of these things, you really need one. And they have a little tweezer. It's got a little button right here on the side, and I haven't uncovered it yet because you can feel it. You can squeeze that little button, and the tweezers, and they make some scissors for it too. They can reach in there and pull out. Let's say you get a bug in the ear, and that happens. You can reach in there with this thing, see the bug, get a cotton swab stuck in there, and the cotton comes off. Pull it right out, and you can see it with this right here. Guys, I don't know about y'all. I'm going to clean this off. Then I'm an alcoholic good. That is more than worth what they charge for it, because you can see what's going on in your ear. You can close your I can't hold the phone in this at the same time. You can hold your nose, close your mouth with this in your eardrum or in your ear, blow, and you can see if your eardrum is moving like it's supposed to, and I've done that, and sucker works really well. So I'm going to recommend this. I'm going to give it a 2 thumbs up, and I hope you get you one. Whoa, hey, bad health, gonna fall and die one of these days. Anyway, I hope you get you one, and if you do and you like it, tell me down here in the comments below. I think you're gonna like it. Always be careful with anything you put in your ears. They do have rounded tips on them, but that doesn't necessarily mean you couldn't puncture something. So just be very gentle. If you feel it and it hurts, don't do that. But otherwise, this thing is a great tool. Get you one. And the name of it, once again, is Remoli Note 5. See if I can get that where you can see it real well. Remoli Note 5. Great, people. Again, let's see if I can get you some of this picture right here. There's the little tweezers right there. There's the additional tips right here. The light is great. I mean, it just does a great job. So we appreciate you guys coming by MaxsGarajMahal. Again, if you get you one of these things, leave me some comments below. Leave me a like. Subscribe if you would. Share these videos, and we appreciate you very kindly. Y'all come back and see me now. You hear?